why am I giving this axolotl a lobotomy with a soldering iron? I used every different type of plastic I have to amass an axolotl army to torment with heat testing. After having molten plastic drip everywhere from my last couple videos, I thought it was about time to do the bare minimum in safety precautions. eSUN contacted me and said, "Hey, we heard your filament's flaccid. Fancy a finer filament?" "Facts," I said, so they sent me some of their heat-resistant ABS HT. Even crazier than printing at 500 degrees Fahrenheit is the fact that that's well within the capabilities of entry-level 3D printers now. PLA will warp like a taco even in a mildly hot car, so I didn't think the competition was going to be very fierce anyway. I was planning on just spearing each one with a soldering iron tip, but the scientist in me decided that's not methodical enough, so I put them all in the oven. By my math, 5 minutes at 400 degrees exposes these parts to a whopping 2,000 degrees of heat. The only real way to measure the deformation would be to measure each axolotl's height and rank them inversely by it. I had a feeling that these four would stand about an ice cube's chance in hell in that oven, and that was about accurate. The carbon fiber filament did just a tad better, but eSUN's filament definitely fulfilled its purpose. These parts were only 15% infilled too, so I bet the difference would have been even more stark if they were more solid. So here are the results ranked by how tall the parts were when they got out of the oven. In 6th place, we had Duramic's green matte filament at 4.83mm. In 5th place, this really surprised me, was eSUN's PLA Plus at 5.1mm. HZST3D's color-changing PLA was surprising also at 5.55mm. Zero's mint matte macaron at 6.15mm. Runner-up was Creality's carbon fiber hyper PLA at 11.38mm. And in first place is, of course, our eSUN ABS HT at 19.6mm, which is